So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to check the current mortgage rates here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to go to this top bar to where it says mortgage and then where it says today's mortgage rate. Simply go ahead and press on that. Once you're in this page, you can go ahead and type in your location. So I'll just use New York City for this example. So we'll go ahead and press on get rates. Once that is done, it's going to go ahead and perhaps give you some current mortgage rate. So in this case, a 30-year fixed could be 6.75%. Other one, 30-year variable, 30-year jumbo fixed, 20-year fixed, etc. You can view a bunch of different rates that are being shown at this moment of time in your specific area. If you want to go even further, you can go press on estimate my rate right here and then follow the steps that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can find or how to check current mortgage rates here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.